Hello and welcome, dearest. I'm Grandma Mimsy, and today we are, this is the unboxing of the Maniology 5-year anniversary bundle, which is titled Lay Day or Kit Box 509 if you forget how to spell lay, which is L-E-I. The kit comes in a drawstring bag and comes with the plate, which is Lay Day plate number M374, and sold by itself is $8. Comes with, let's see here, Ilima, which is B474, which is a red pearl stamping polish, also sold separately for $8. The summer limited edition ice cube stamper scraper set, which is a stamp 046. And let's see, that is not available. The limited edition, as far as I could find, is not available independently or separately by itself. It only comes up on the website that you can get it within the kit. There is the limited edition holiday stamper, which is currently available for $10. So if you add all that together, you're looking at $26, which is the regular price for this. Buying it in the bundle, if you are not a subscription member. If you are a subscription member, the bundle is $24. So essentially it saves you about $3 being a subscription member, buying the bundle together. Let's see what we've got. I already took the plastic off the box for the stamper, because those can be a little tricky to get into, and my hands are just in sad shape. We don't really want to add anything more to it. So here's the packaging for the ice cube. Find where it comes together. Yay! Set that over there. And here's what it looks like on the top, which is really cute. And then it's your basic ice cubes. And then has a matching scraper. And these ones that come in the sets, they are slightly thicker and less bendy, squishy than the regular stamper scrapers that you get. They're the same size. Which is a half size compared to these ones, which they don't always have all the time. And this is from the Halloween one. I don't remember what season it was, which year it was. I've had that one for a little while, I think. This is for the holiday one that is, these are the thinnest, then these are a little bit thicker, and then the holiday edition ones were really thick. And depending on what you're doing, sometimes things work. I save the outer part and collect them. I pull out the inner part and then just keep adding it to when my standard scraper jelly part needs to be replaced. I replaced that part out, and then I keep these all nice and pretty in my collection of scrapers, because I when they come out with a new one, I usually get whatever set they have, and there'll be one that I pick, and I get two so that I can have extras to work with, and then I have extras to save for my collections. And so, little tidbit on that. You know, strange things that Grandma do. We all have things that we get collections for. This is Ilima, is the polish. And then the plate. Let's see if we can, we're just gonna have fun with that glare. Yeah, we have a whole new setup, and trying to figure out all the new adjustments. And I get it by the edge, and then it gets to a part where I can peel it off, and there we go. And so we're going to try and go slowly without the glare. And so there's all kinds of flowers. And designs where you can have a Hawaiian day, and then the drawstring bag. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of that. Words are still hard. I will be experimenting with this shortly and coming back with what I have figured out with how to do things on this. Moving forward, our life has changed and things are different, and now I'm going to be able to do a whole lot more videos, and I have a new series coming out to help beginners and those who are unsure of, hey, I got all this stuff, I've gone down the rabbit hole, now what do I do? Thank you for joining me, thank you for watching, thank you for following, thank you for all your happy and well wishes. We are doing so much better in our new place, and as always, please be kind, because sometimes the grumpiest, saddest person just needs a smile or a hug, because you will never know what can make a person's day just by a kind word. So please be kind. Bye.